Did you know that Waltham butternut squash is a favorite among gardeners? This delicious vegetable has numerous benefits. Let's explore why growing it is a fantastic choice. Waltham butternut squash is nutritious, delicious, and versatile. It grows well in various climates. This squash is easy to manage and produces large yields. First, let's talk about nutrition. Butternut squash is rich in vitamins A and C. It also contains fiber, which aids digestion. Eating it supports your immune system and keeps your skin healthy. Next, consider its tasty flavor. Waltham butternut squash has a sweet, nutty taste. You can roast, puree, or bake it in many dishes. It complements both savory and sweet recipes. Now let's look at how to grow it. Start with seeds or seedlings. Choose a sunny spot in your garden. Waltham butternut squash thrives in well-drained soil. Space your plants about 3 feet apart. Water them regularly, especially during dry spells. Fertilize once a month to boost growth. Watch for pests like squash bugs and remove any affected leaves. Patience is key. In about 90 to 100 days, you'll see results. Harvest when the skin is hard and the color is deep tan. Here's a fun scenario. Imagine a cool autumn evening. You pull a fresh Waltham butternut squash from your garden. You roast it with spices, filling your home with a warm aroma. Friends and family gather around to enjoy a cozy meal together. In summary, Waltham butternut squash is worth growing for its nutrition and flavor. It's easy to cultivate, rewarding, and perfect for various recipes. Ready to start your own garden? Grab your seeds today and experience the joy of growing Waltham butternut squash. Happy gardening! Did you know that Waltham butternut squash not only enhances your meals, but also adds beauty to your garden? Its vibrant orange flesh and stunning green leaves create a cheerful visual statement. As the plants grow, they invite bees and butterflies, enriching the garden's ecosystem. When you nurture these squash, you're not just cultivating food, you're fostering a thriving environment. Consider implementing crop rotation in your garden to maintain soil health. After harvesting Waltham butternut squash, plant leafy greens in that spot to replenish nutrients. This strategy will ensure a fruitful garden year after year, boosting both your productivity and the health of your soil. By embracing sustainable practices, you contribute positively to your local ecosystem while enjoying the benefits of a diverse garden. Imagine harvesting this squash, its skin glistening in the autumn sun, each vine tracing a story of careful tending. You can picture slicing it open, revealing the golden interior, and feeling a sense of accomplishment wash over you. Preparing Waltham butternut squash becomes a cherished ritual, giving you not just nourishment, but a connection to the earth. Each meal made with it becomes a celebration, bringing loved ones closer. As you gather around the table, conversations flow as freely as the laughter, all sparked by a simple yet profound vegetable from your garden. With each bite, you're reminded of the hard work and patience that brought this seasonal delight to your home. Growing Waltham butternut squash isn't just about the end result. It's also an enriching journey filled with lessons. Each stage of development teaches you patience and dedication, strengthening your bond with nature. As you watch the seeds sprout and the vines climb, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the cycles of life. You're not merely growing a vegetable, you're cultivating resilience, and with every squash harvested, you also harvest fulfillment. This process allows you to connect with the earth, fostering gratitude for the food it provides. In each golden slice lies a story of care, patience, and the joy of sharing homegrown goodness with others. Imagine the joy of sharing a meal made with your homegrown Waltham butternut squash as the golden slices rest on the table, waiting to be savored. Growing Waltham butternut squash is a rewarding experience that not only enhances your cooking but also nourishes your spirit. It connects you to the land, the seasons, and the joy of sharing delicious moments with loved ones. As you celebrate this harvest, remember the journey that brought you here, each step a testament to your passion for gardening.